theme of the third piece is taboo. It's written by James Humphreys, so bear that in mind. Joseph, out of his element, in a safe space. This is The Perverse Nature of Joseph Bishop by James Humphreys.
I'm the first one in my family. I just can't believe it. I'm still in shock. For the past few weeks it's been a routine for me to excitedly scan my inbox. However, this morning is when I finally saw him. Dear Mr. Joseph Bishop, we'd like to congratulate you on being offered a place to study at the University of South Wales. It's not Oxford or Cambridge, but I'm not fussy. I honestly would have never pictured this in my wildest dreams. Going to university, that is. It's just not my destiny. I come from a family of labourers, construction workers and plumbers. The only reason I even applied was because you had to pass some shitty government scheme to graduate college. Now I can leave the high-vis behind and make something for myself, which is just as well, because I've slowly grown distant from my friends recently. They just care about money, drinking and fingering girls, which is pretty kick-ass, but it doesn't inspire me or challenge me. I'm going to be brushing elbows with some of the UK's most intelligent individuals. At least, that's what I thought. Anyway, I was the first person to arrive in my halls. I was pretty nervous, so I got myself to set up in my room, and I promised myself, as soon as I hear people coming into the flat, I'll go and introduce myself and help them in with the movie. I was trying to imagine what my flatmates might be like, although I should tell you all the truth and say that they were nothing like I had imagined. The first one arrived. I came out of the flat, extended my hand to shake his, and said that my name was Joseph. He took my hand and shook it and told me, "I'm gay." And he shook it enthusiastically.
"And I suffer with anxiety."
Fair enough. I thought nothing of the declarations and helped him move in. He turned out pretty cool considering the introduction. His name is Lloyd, he's from Caerphilly and studying graphic design. Eventually, we heard the front door go again. This time, me and Lloyd went to the door. A girl enters the flat with a shaved head. She actually looks like Sigourney Weaver in Alien 3.
Hello, I'm non-binary and anemic. It can be quite serious.
"I'm gay and I suffer with anxiety."
What's going on here? I've never seen this before. As I stood confused, the fourth flatmate slipped in and, trying to relate, said,
"Look, I may not look the customer who's been around the block, but let me tell you, if you cross me, I just go totally ragged."
He then proceeded to wander around the flat, dabbing. Suddenly, Ripley asks,
"So, who are you?"
"I'm just Joseph. And I'm white. Like, really, really white. Though I don't tell them that. I know you must think there's something wrong with me, like I'm homophobic or transphobic or something. I'm really not. I've just never seen people listing everything about them like that." Eventually, once everyone has told me their name and settled in, night arrives and we play drinking games together. Never have I ever.
Never ever given head on beach in France.
Hey! Okay. Never have I ever eaten human arsehole.
Oh, yeah! Never have I ever had sex.
I had to save them the awkwardness of having to drink with a virgin, so once we'd learned every intimate detail about each other, we spent the rest of the night in a gay club. Not for Lloyd or Chris's sake, but because Montgomery wanted to let the LGBT community know they had his full support. From out the club, Chris appears, throws her arm around me and tells me,
Jacob Rees-Mogg. What a cunt.
"Well done, though." A few months pass. It's been bumpy, but they ain't as bad as they seem. Chris recently came out as having OCD, which is quite nice. You can just leave the dishes on the side, and when they start to pile up, you just remind Chris that her mum hasn't called in a while, and she gets straight to it. Monty invites us out one night to go and see a scratch night, which is giving the middle finger to Brexit.
"Yeah, let's teach those racist bastards a lesson."
So we get in there, and the night is unashamedly anti-Brexit.
I'm Nigel Farage. The Muslims are going to get you. Thank you.
Let me just step in. As much as I know you would much rather watch that show, I need you to let you know something. I voted leave. Someone needs to stand up to Europe. Tighter controls on immigration is neither a good nor bad thing. It's just a stance. If tighter controls mean my family won't get kicked off site for someone who works for cheaper, so be it. But there was no discussion at this scratch night, just
Idiots! Racists! Wankers!
what do you all expect to see at Christmas when you turn on that television? Snow, pantos, fidget spinners with lights that hopefully give your kids an aneurysm so you can have moments peace. Something along those lines. No, Christmas now just seems to be boing.
Suicide bomber attacks music hall with kids attending. Over 36 dead.
Boing.
So-called Islamic State takes responsibility for the attacks.
Boing.
Merry Christmas and death to the West.
Sad, isn't it? Disgusting.
Yeah. Do you know what I always do now?
What's that?
If I see a Muslim walking toward me on the street,
Yeah?
well, I'll give them a little nod, just to let them know that it's not their fault. Well, because when these extremists attack, the media and society always blame the Muslims.
They blame radical Islam.
Yeah, exactly.
Because it's true.
Yeah. Wait, sorry, what?
People being killed is because of Islam. I'm not saying all Muslims, I'm just saying the terrorists, the extremists, they do it because of Islam.
Well, what about the Crusades? Huh? And when a white person massacres a group of people, they're insane. But when a Muslim does it, they're terrorists.
Why? What are you getting upset about? What do you want me to say?
Just stop being so Islamophobic.
I'm not trying to be. I don't know how to string a sentence together without pointing out what's happened and avoid being that.
Oh, typical. I know you come from the armpit of Wales, and I know your cradle was a constantly rotating cement mixer, but I really did expect a lot more from you, Joseph. What you're saying is appalling and unforgivable. You're a typical example of ignorant scum. You know I suffer with anxiety.
Jesus Christ, are you okay?
No, don't touch me, alright? Don't touch me.
I'm sure not home for Christmas soon. Though, I've been wondering if I should even bother coming back. Everyone at the flat ignores me. Lloyd, Chris, they will actively look away from me if I'm in the same room. Montgomery just stamps his feet like a toddler as he makes a point of leaving the room I've entered. I called my mum to let her know what's been going on.
Oh, you come home, lad. Pay no attention to the call me queers.
Oh yeah, I forgot, you can fuck off as well.